Hey guys, this is the CoolBuddy here. Today we are unboxing the original Monopoly. So let's start unboxing. It is for plus 8 years and it's for 2 to 6 players. Let's open the box. Put this aside. Okay. These are the rules. Jail, chance, and hotels and stuff. So this is the board game itself. There it is. Let's put this aside. And these are for houses. These are for hotels. These are the dice, and these are the players' cards. These are all our places you need to buy with money. And while talking about money, this is the money. So we have 1 Monopoly notes, 10, 500, 50, 50 and 5. Those are the notes. And these are for chances, 10 chance, 10 chance, and community chests as chances. So I'll explain the rules to you, or basically how to play. So if you take let me take these. If you're playing with 3 players, then you will have to start. So I took 4 actually. Start 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what you have to do is take the dice. You can play with 1 dice as well as 2 dice. So if you're playing with 2 dice, you have to roll 4 and 3. 4 plus 3, 7. So if I were this, I have to go ahead 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got a chance. Let's see what my chance is. Advance to go. So and collect 200. So what I have to do is go back here and take 200 from the bank. And before all this, what you have to do is you have to take each. If you're playing with 4, you have to add all the money, basically divide all the money equally so that each gets an equal amount. So like you can do each 2,000, each 1,500. You can do that. Okay. Now what we can do is, if you land on this is a community chest. So it's the same. So as you can see, chance. This is community chest. Get out of jail free. This card may be kept, needed, or traded. So when you get in jail, which is here, I don't think you can see that, but this jail, if you get in there, you miss 1 turn. So you either have to pay 500 to get out, or you have to have this card. And you can trade this card too. Okay. Now, if we get into this, these are all places. If you want a place, you have to check the price in this bundle. I'm not going now, but if you're supposed to buy Park Lane, its price is 175. So yeah, if you land if you buy Park Lane, if for example this is Park Lane, there it is, Park Lane, then if you yourself who bought it lands on it again, you can buy it with 2 houses, 500, and then you can put a house, which is this. If you keep landing on it, you can own a hotel, and the hotels are the red ones. These. Yeah. That's it guys for today's video. Hope you subscribe, like, comment and share. 1K subscribers. Bye.